So in this VN video editor tutorial, I will be showing you how to flip a video here on VN Video Editor. As you guys can tell, if I had to play my video right here, it is normal, not flipped at all. If you wanted to flip this, it's pretty straightforward. Select the clip, go to this bottom bar to where it says flip, go ahead and select it, and you can flip the video upside down. So for example, if I were to, how about we just go ahead and split it here, I will then make the second half flipped upside down. We can go ahead here and I'll play the first part of the video where it's normal, and then it flips to the second part where it is flipped upside down. And if you want to flip it back, you can press flip and then proceed that way. So pretty simple, pretty straightforward. That's how you guys can flip a video here on VN Video Editor. Thanks again for watching and hope this helps.